बीवी अगर है तो वो सारे घर के काम करेगी, सब कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी ले लेगी।
छोटी छोटी चीजों में रोज अपनी कोई एक छोटी सी चीज खत्म करती जा रही थी, मारती जा रही थी, बट नथिंग चेंज्ड एंड आई जस्ट केप्ट वेटिंग एंड टिल इट केम टू दैट आई कांट डू दिस एनीमोर।
You do not understand that you are mature, you have got married, you need to handle your emotion, you will do घर का काम, you will also talk to the parents, you will also manage my emotion.
My needs and my boundaries are not getting respected in the household. Family is saying certain things to me. मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है, मैं ये नहीं करूँगी, मुझे ये खाना अच्छा लगता है, मैं ये नहीं खाऊंगी, बिकॉज 4 लोगों को अलग अलग चीजें खाने को अच्छी लगती है, मुझे वो बनानी है। ओके ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, अभी कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, अब ये चेंज हो जाएगा, अब ये बेटर हो जाएगा, अब हम बात करने लगेंगे, अब हम कम्युनिकेट करने लगे, अब हमारी रिलेशनशिप शादी के पहले जैसी थी वैसी हो जाएगी, बिकॉज माई जॉब वॉज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड, माई मेंटल हेल्थ वॉज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड। वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ
Happily Whatever After.
How are you guys liking the newer sort of episodes which are not 1 hour long, which are smaller, which are shorter, which gives you the shiksha in 1, 2, 3.
Go. Tell us in the comments how are you liking it, you are enjoying it, and I hope that we are able to give you more and more shikshas day by day.
And it is able to help you with your relationship. If you need more help with your relationship, if you need help to rebuild from certain situations that have happened to us, then you can book a one-on-one coaching calls with us. The link for that is mentioned in the description.
So एक दिन था 2020 का जहाँ पे मैं नींद से उठा, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन यू वर लाइक के मैं अपने दोस्त के घर पे जा रही हूँ, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, आई डोंट वांट टू स्टे विथ यू एंड आई डोंट वांट टू लिव एनी मोर विथ यू। यू हैड ऑलरेडी प्रोबेबली डिसाइडेड इन योर हेड दैट हो गया मेरा, मुझे अब ये शादी नहीं चाहिए। ऐसा क्यों हुआ था, क्या तुम बता सकती हो?
I think I was completely and fully burnt out in our relationship by being the only one taking the emotional load of things. And when I say burnt out, it was a lot of resentment that erupted like a volcano that day, that I was like कि बस अब हो गया है, अब नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे। From there onwards, I realized I was carrying so much inside me for 5 years of marriage. This was in 2020, and today is 2025. And before that, we already had been through
4 years of
4 years of marriage. I had reached that level of छोटा चीजें जो हमें हमेशा बोली जाती है कि अरे इतनी छोटी सी बात, let it go, it's okay, ये तो होता ही है, ये तो करना ही पड़ता है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, कोई बात नहीं, भूल जाओ, आगे बढ़ो, मिट्टी पाओ। वो जो छोटी छोटी चीजें थी ना, वो जो एक ज्वालामुखी की तरह अंदर उबल रही थी, वो उस दिन ऐसे फूटा था कि बस अब कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा। द वर्स्ट पार्ट वाज दैट यू हैड जीरो क्लू।
आई वाज अंडर द इम्प्रेशन दैट लाइफ ऐसी ही चलती है, ये तो छोटी सी बात है, बीवी तो ये करनी चाहिए, ये तो उसका फर्ज है कि पति को तो ऐसे रखेगी। जो टेक्निकली हम भी देखते हैं दैट बीवी अगर है तो वो सारे घर के काम करेगी, सब कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी ले लेगी, शी विल ऑल्सो टेक अवे द पेन दैट यू हैव। हम ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली अ वाइफ इज गोइंग थ्रू। आई वाज नॉट लुकिंग एट यू एज एन इंडिविजुअल पर्सन टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो हैड दिस नोशन दैट यू नो शादी के बाद सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिकली ठीक हो जाता है, एंड आई वाज ignoring you in some or the other way by not realizing that there is a bigger issue that I am creating by not being emotionally available to you. And छोटी छोटी चीजें थी जो मैं कर रहा था unconsciously. I was not aware of changing it and talking about it, making a space in my head about having a conversation with you that I'm aware of it and probably we will have to work together. You wanted to listen all of those things from me and I was in my head not even discussing about it. It was just in my head.
But even if it was in your head, it didn't make any difference in my life.
Yeah.
If it is in your head, then it doesn't actually come out. Then it doesn't add to our relationship. It doesn't fix our relationship. It doesn't fix my circumstances. It doesn't fix what I have been feeling. Coming from so many versions of me being taught and being told that तुमको ऐसे ही करना है, शादी के बाद तो एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है, तुमको ज्यादा बात नहीं करनी है, ज्यादा जवाब नहीं देना है पलट के, ज्यादा स्पेस नहीं लेना है, दूसरों को तुम्हारी वजह से तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए, तुम एडजस्ट कर लो, तुम सैक्रिफाइस कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एल्डर्स की रिस्पेक्ट करो, भले वो तुम्हारी कितनी डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर दे, तुमको उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करना जरूरी है, तुम अपनी नीड्स को पहले मत रखो। एंड देयर वर सो मेनी स्मॉल इश्यूज दैट वर piling up. There were things that my in-laws said, there were things that were unsaid between me and Karan. All of those things, all of the story that happened between me and Karan will be available right here on this link, so you can go and binge watch the raite that Karan and I created for ourselves in this relationship, and how did we come here to this point.
सो शो रिसेंटली हमने एक मूवी देखी थी, आई थिंक इट गॉट वायरल ऑल्सो. मूवी का नाम था द ग्रेट इंडियन किचन, जहाँ पे इतने सारे इश्यूज वो लड़की ने फेस किए. शी वॉज रियली फेड अप एंड इन द एंड शी मेड श्योर दैट द वाटर विच वॉज ड्रेन्ड फ्रॉम द सिंक वॉज बीन सर्व्ड एज नींबू पानी. इट्स अ सॉर्ट ऑफ प्लेस वेयर यू नो पीपल अंडरस्टैंड दैट अगर लड़की जो है घर पे वो साइलेंटली स्ट्रगल कर रही है अंडर, दैट मीन्स देयर इज पीस, एंड दैट वॉज ऑल्सो माई मिस्टेक. व्हाट इज योर थॉट ऑन इट? How did you change it?
So a lot of people from the older generation did not like the movie, and we actually had discussions with certain people who said that कि ये थोड़ी ना कोई बात होती है कि ऐसे ही एक दिन उठा के तुम चल दी मुंह उठा के, तुमको कुछ करना तो चाहिए था, तुमको कुछ बोलना तो चाहिए था. What they didn't realize and what most people don't realize it that वो जो लड़की थी वो छोटी छोटी चीजों में रोज अपनी कोई एक छोटी सी चीज खत्म करती जा रही थी, मारती जा रही थी कि ठीक है मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है मैं ये नहीं करूँगी, मुझे ये खाना अच्छा लगता है मैं ये नहीं खाऊंगी, बिकॉज 4 लोगों को अलग अलग चीज़ें खाने को अच्छी लगती है, मुझे वो बनानी है.
Correct.
तो मैं अपनी चीज़ें हटा देती हूँ. एंड यू एंड आई वुड हैव आल्सो सीन दिस राइट. आई रिमेंबर तुम्हारी मम्मी मुझे बोलती थी कि मुझे ये वाली सब्जी बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन घर में किसी को नहीं पसंद है तो मैं बनाती ही नहीं हूँ. इमेजिन दैट शी हैज नॉट ईटन इट फॉर 20 years of her life, which was something basic as simple as I just liked a vegetable. Same with me. My mom used to say that मुझे बीटरूट की सब्जी बहुत पसंद है, बट तुम में से किसी को भी नहीं पसंद है, तो अब अकेले के लिए क्या बनाना? They have been trained for so many years to just minimize their needs, let go of their needs. And you will see that हमारी मम्मियों की जनरेशन में हमें बहुत चपेड़ पड़ते थे. तो उनका जो गुस्सा होता था ना ये छोटी छोटी चीजों का, वो अपने बच्चों पे निकलता था, क्योंकि पति अवेलेबल ही नहीं होते थे ये सारी बातों के लिए. और मेरे साथ भी शायद वही हो रहा था. फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स ऑफ आवर मैरिज आई वाज लाइक ओके ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, टुमारो विल बी अ बेटर डे. ओके ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, अभी कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, अब ये चेंज हो जाएगा, अब ये बेटर हो जाएगा, अब हम बात करने लगेंगे, अब हम कम्युनिकेट करने लगे, अब हमारी रिलेशनशिप शादी के पहले जैसी थी वैसी हो जाएगी. बट नथिंग चेंज्ड.
करेक्ट.
एंड आई जस्ट केप्ट वेटिंग एंड till it came to that I can't do this anymore. And I was not even able to understand who am I in this relationship, because my job was getting affected, my mental health was getting affected, I was constantly just unhappy. And the fact that I used to show my unhappiness and you used to become silent, or you used to fight, or we used to have an anger episode between the two of us, those angry matches used to come to that point that मुझे अपने बारे में ऐसा फील होता था कि ये हो गई हूँ मैं. That I'm constantly nagging you, constantly just saying कि ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब मैं थक गई थी अपनी बातें सुन के कि क्या मैं सेम चीज क्यों बोल रही हूँ रोज.
In a way you were waiting for the eruption. Can I say this? Like there was this whole volcano which we discussed right now was.
So I will explain it in a kitchen term only, which a lot of ladies will understand. कुकर होता है ना, कुकर में हम चावल डालते हैं, पानी डालते हैं, फिर उसको हम ऑन कर देते हैं.
करेक्ट.
पर इमीडिएटली सीटी आती है क्या?
नहीं, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है.
प्रेशर कुकर उसको क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि प्रेशर बिल्ड होता है और फिर सीटी आती है. प्रेशर बिल्ड होता जा रहा था. पहली सीटी जब आई होगी जब हम लोग घर से अलग हुए.
करेक्ट.
राइट. उसके बाद चलो ये मान लेते हैं हमने कि गैस बंद कर दी थी, बट ऐसा तो नहीं होता कि गैस बंद हो जाती है तो प्रेशर खत्म हो जाता है. तो एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जब तक पूरा प्रेशर नहीं निकलेगा तब तक द कुकर इज रेडी टू विसल अगेन.
या
राइट. तो वो ऐसे ही होता था कि तुम अगर कोई छोटी सी भी चीज बोलो तो आई यूज्ड टू इरप्ट इन एंगर. आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कि तुम हमेशा ऐसा बोलते हो, ये हमेशा ऐसा होता है, आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक, आई डोंट वांट टू डू दिस. आई फेल्ट एज इफ नोबडी गेव अ फक. नोबडी थॉट दैट मेरे को क्या चाहिए.
Correct.
मेरी किसी को नहीं.
Yeah, you were technically unseen. You were like sort of unseen in the whole family dynamics, and you were technically being left out to be with your own peace, which technically was not peace, which was boiling down inside like a pressure cooker. And suddenly you felt that the situation was technically going out of control. You tried to control in a way how much ever you wanted to.
Yeah.
But then the situation is such that you are no more able to have your emotions in control, because you have already suppressed so much of your anger that you have also somewhere down the line lost your identity in creating a happy family.
See, I think women are anyway expected कि शादी के बाद तुम्हारी आइडेंटिटी तुमको खत्म ही करनी है,
Yeah.
है ना. अब वो सारी चीजें हम फिर भी फाइट कर लेते हैं आज के जमाने में, बिकॉज वी आर सपोज टू बी एजुकेटेड एंड मॉडर्न एंड एवरीथिंग. बट स्टिल द पॉइंट वाज दैट देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ मेंटल लोड इन द रिलेशनशिप दैट आई वाज कैरिंग. दैट इफ घर पे मेड आ रही है तो भी मुझे ही संभालना है, घर पे खाना क्या बनेगा वो भी मैं ही बोलने वाली हूँ, आई एम कॉलिंग द शॉट्स अबाउट इट. घर पे साफ सफाई कैसी होनी है तो यू यूज्ड टू जस्ट से कि मत कर, बट दैट वाज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन. घर स्टिल गंदा ही रहने वाला था, राइट?
Yeah.
So it used to come to the fact that I used to take on more and more and more and see you least bothered about it.
Yeah.
Even if you are saying that you were bothered about it, you used to be happy in ignoring it,
Yeah.
or you were able to be okay
I think
without it.
वहाँ पे शो मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि वो मेरी बहुत बड़ी मिस्टेक थी, where I was in a way in my mind happy that कि अगर कलेश नहीं हो रहा है ना तो अच्छी बात है.
Yeah.
Let's not bring on all of those topics because it will again erupt in a way. But what I was missing here is what I was not able to talk to you nicely and hold you and ask you what is going on into your head. How can I be helpful to you? Is there any space that you feel I can take in for you so that you feel that you are being acknowledged for all the efforts that you are putting in?
Yeah.
You were not even able to see that for the one person whom I loved and got married into and came into the relationship, he is not even aware and he has left me to just be myself and not even aware, because in the overall situation which was happening with us where you were feeling, I was like अच्छी बात है अगर हम नहीं झगड़ेंगे तो. I was not thinking that झगड़ने की बात ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. It is about understanding the emotion that what your wife is feeling, right? I was in fear that if I talk to you again there will be fights and again I will go back, but I forgot to understand that when you discuss with your wife that what space I can take, it is not about blame there. It is about providing a help to your wife that we both can walk this issue that you are facing.
What happens, Karan, is that you used to do that at the start of our relationship. Most often than not, you used to come from the point of view that मैं ये पूछूंगा और मुझे इसका पॉजिटिव जवाब आएगा.
Correct.
बट जब वो जवाब नेगेटिव आता था तो you used to not have a solution. You used to freak out that okay, अब मैं इसका क्या करूं? Because it was either about the fact that घर पे ये सारी चीजें मुझे नहीं करने हो रही है या मुझे नहीं पसंद आ रही है, या family is saying certain things to me, yeah, my needs and my boundaries are not getting respected in the household. But all of these things would have meant for you to stand up to your family and try to talk to them,
Yeah.
but which you were not ready to do at that point of time. So you used to not have a solution.
Yeah.
So you used to feel under attack that oh my god, whatever she is saying is a
Attack
I
on
need
me.
to is an attack on me, is an attack on my family. I need to get defensive, and then you used to get defensive. It used to turn into a fight. Either we used to talk after it, or we used to just brush it under the carpet, or go into silent treatment. And what all of this used to happen was that it used to be stored in the back of my memory, which used to come back in whatever next little small thing that used to happen between you and me. फिर वो वहाँ पे निकल के आता था कि अगर आज झाड़ू लगाने का तुम्हारा काम था ड्यूरिंग कोविड लॉकडाउन,
Yeah.
और मेरा पोछा लगाने का काम था और तुमने झाड़ू नहीं लगाई, तो आई यूज्ड टू इरप्ट. I used to be like, what the hell?
Yeah.
And you used to think like, अरे झाड़ू ही तो नहीं लगाई. But it was never just about that one thing. And the worst part about all of this was that it was a loop that we were going through over and over again. At some point of time मेरे अंदर इतना resentment भर गया था कि मैं तुमसे सीधे मुंह बात भी नहीं करती थी. मैं तुमसे चिढ़ के ही बात करती थी. मैं तुमसे गुस्से में ही बात करती.
मैं भी वैसा हो गया था, मैं भी चिड़चिड़ा हो गया था, because I never thought that the kind of relationship that we were supposed to build was not manifesting, and I probably was the reason of it. I was not looking the other way around, that it is not my wife who has done this, it is me who has done this. So I had to realize that you have come into my life and you have come into my house, and it is my responsibility to share the load with you and not give you all the load. I was like, okay, ठीक है, you will do घर का काम, you will also talk to the parents, you will also manage my emotions, because I was also like, you know, asking you for help. जब भी मैं sad होता था तुम मेरे को ठीक कर देती कि करण ठीक हो जाएगा. It was like a game of not talking to each other, like जो बोलते हैं ना कि teenagers लोग एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते हैं. And you do not understand that right now you are not teenagers, you are mature, you have got married, you need to handle your emotions, and understand that what your partner is actually feeling at that point of time. So all the guys listening to me, I think if you are facing through the same emotions, you need to understand and talk to your wife and ask that how are you feeling, what kind of help do you need, and when she's talking, please do not get defensive. Understand the emotional part of it, that what is she feeling, how can you help in that area of her life. She is not telling you that you are bad, you have not done good for me. She is only asking you to be present and listen to her. So that is one of the things that I would request all the men to do when you are facing this issue.
The only thing that I want to tell to all my sisters, fellow women, fellow wives, please do not wait till the volcano becomes a volcano to erupt. Okay, don't accumulate those small things. It is only hurting you, it is not hurting anybody else. Nobody else is even aware that you are going through this. So you will have to start speaking up for yourself. Don't feel bad about talking about it. Don't feel bad that तुमने अपनी need express करी है. Don't feel bad that मैं तो ऐसा चाहती थी लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Don't victimize yourself. The moment you start expressing that these things are my issue and you need a solution to this, you demand a solution for it, it will help you to let go of that anger.
Yeah.
And it doesn't, even if it does lead to some kind of fights, it's okay. That will show what is needed for both of you guys in the relationship. Don't avoid the hard conversations. By avoiding the hard conversation, you're only and only giving yourself anger issues. You're anyway affecting the relationship. You're anyway angry with your husband. So कुछ भी ठीक वैसे भी नहीं होना है, right? तो इससे better है कि आप अपनी needs शुरू से express करना चालू रखो and don't buy into what we have been told कि adjust तो करना पड़ता है, sacrifice तो करना पड़ता है, बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट तो किसी भी हालत में करनी है. नो, यू हैव टू कम टू दैट पॉइंट दैट दिस इज माई वैल्यू सिस्टम. अगर मेरी कोई भी चीज इस चीज के अगेंस्ट जा रही है, आई नीड अ सोल्यूशन. वेदर दैट सोल्यूशन कम्स फ्रॉम मी माई सेल्फ और फ्रॉम माई हस्बैंड, इट इज ओके, बट आई नीड टू स्पीक अप अबाउट इट. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि मैं इसको जमा करती रहूं और एक दिन पूरा फटे. सो इट्स बेटर टू स्पीक अप एंड टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स व्हेन दे एक्चुअली हैपन rather than hold on to it for a very long time.
Studies also show that when you suppress the emotions for a longer time, I think it leads to anger issues. It also leads to anxiety. It also leads to cardiovascular diseases because your heart is not pumping in the same rate as always. You also have autoimmunity disorders, which happens to most of the women. They do not understand and they feel that it is an hereditary problem, but technically it is not hereditary problem. It is something that you have kept all of those unresolved emotions in your body somewhere, and that is resulting into these diseases coming out. Also, you might have seen that all the elderly women in your life have also these physical ailments in their body. They are also somewhere down the line having knee pain, shoulder pain, joint pains,
back pain,
and chal nahi sakte after an age, after they are like 50, 55, when their body starts rejecting them. All of these ailments start being visually seen in their body. They are like not able to walk. They are like कि मेरे को आज यहाँ पेन है, आज यहाँ पेन है. This is also been studied that all of these ailments are also a part of suppressed emotions. So if you are also suppressing these emotions, probably later part of your life, which is the third part of your life, will also go into this ailment. So please do not suppress your emotions.
Yeah. And in 2017, there was also a study conducted which said that women in collectivist cultures like South Asian cultures, where we have a joint family setup, they are conditioned to prioritize relational harmony over personal emotional needs.
Yeah.
So basically they are just told to be nice and people please.
Yeah.
And when they do people pleasing, there is a passive aggressive behavior that comes in. Most of the women we know either have passive aggression issues or have outward anger issues these days. And this is directly affecting the relationship. And how it affected our relationship, you can watch this episode obviously, and there are more such episodes available right over here, and you will find out what exactly happened for us to lead to this place in our relationship today.
So guys, this is it. So now you guys know that why your wife or your partner is erupting like a volcano और pressure cooker की सीटी की तरह बज रही है. तो अब आपको पता चला है क्यों.
And all the women, if you now know this is what is happening to us, why this much anger is accumulating, why are you having anger issues, please please try to change it. Please try to work on yourself. It is not going to be easy, but at the same time, anyway, your life and relationships are getting affected by it. So consider taking some help, consider doing some self-reflection to come to a point where you can release this anger so that you don't develop such autoimmune disease or some physical issues, because emotional suppression has always been linked to some kind of physical damage in your body that eventually comes.
So this is it, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe. We are available on all social media platforms.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time we release a new episode, which is every Tuesday and Thursday. So see you next week.
Bye bye.